Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. It's her birthday. Oh, she's the one. Lighting up the night like the midnight sun. Can't come halfway. No, not today. For this queen on the throne, we all make way. Go diva, go diva. You see her, you see her. Make room for the queen. It's her birthday. It's her birthday. Go diva, go diva. You see her, you see her. Make room for the queen. It's her birthday. It's her birthday. Go diva, go diva. You see her, you see her. Make room for the queen. It's her birthday. It's her birthday.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Coach Charmaine, ang Bea Alonzo ng Elite Pro. Nagpapasalamat kami dahil ginaguide nyo kami araw-araw. Nandiyan kayo para sa amin. At sabay-sabay tayo magpapayaman. Apply. Thank you po, Coach Charmaine. Happy birthday.
And happy birthday po, Coach Charmaine. And sana magpalakas ka ng mas mabilis kasi miss na miss ka na namin. And hope to see you soon. And congratulations po sa bagong baby boy na napaka-pogi. Kotang-kota na agad.
Yes.
And ayan, gumawa po kami ngayon ng video greetings. And sana ay magustuhan niyo, Coach Charmaine.
Yes.
We love you, Coach. See you soon.
Coach.
Happy birthday, Coach Charmaine.
Hi Coach! Congratulations po in your newborn baby!
And happy birthday, Coach Charmaine!
Yes! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po! See you soon!
Hello! Happy birthday, Coach Charmaine! Hope to see you soon! To meet you soon! And congratulations po pala sa bagong baby boy! Thank you for inspiring us and more pray into us! God bless! Thank you po!
Hi Upline! Happy birthday po Upline! I wish more birthday to come Upline, more blessings to come, more pain to us Upline. Stay healthy together with your family. Thank you so much Upline, laging pag-support at pag-guide po sa amin all the way. Napaka-grateful and blessed na magkaroon ng mentor na katulad niyo po. Napaka-humble. Thank you so much po Upline. Enjoy your day. More blessings to come. God bless you po and we love you Upline. See you soon Upline.
Hello Coach Charmaine, happy birthday. Ayan, ang wish ko po sa inyo is more blessings and syempre good health. Lalo na po ngayon, kapapanganak nyo pa lang po. And congratulations po sa new member of the family, ang baby boy. Congratulations po sa inyo ni Coach Julius. And we miss you Coach Charmaine. Happy birthday po. We love you Coach Charmaine. Bye po.
Happy birthday, Coach Charmaine. First of all, na gusto ko ring masabi is miss ka na namin. And congratulations for having your very handsome and very cute baby boy. Stay healthy for both of you. Thank you for being an inspiration, Coach, especially sa akin din. Miss ka na namin. Pray for your fast recovery. And this day, may the desires of your heart and wishes be granted. Thank you so much and happy birthday, Coach Charmaine. I love you.
Hello, Coach Charmaine. Good evening. Wherever you are now, my congratulations for you and for your baby. Happy birthday. More blessings to come. Succeed in life. We miss you very much in our trainings, in our events. Still remember every time you are speaker with a very soft-spoken, daming tawa. Pero when I heard your life story, grabe, Coach Charmaine, I am very proud of you because you were able to reach that goal and praying, hoping more blessings, be of help. Makakasama ka namin. Our Christmas party, you are one of my idols here in our program, Elite Pro Top 1 Worldwide. Kasi through you, I can still say to myself that I can do this because sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo, sa lahat ng mga sakripisyo, and hoping na for our good and long-lasting relationship here in our program. Kasi miss na po namin ang iyong talk. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa iyo dahil isa ka po sa nagbibigay inspirasyon sa bawat isa, lalo na po sa akin. Coach Charmaine, we love you. Praying, makakasama ka na po namin soon. Happy birthday again. God bless.
Hey, Upline, and happy birthday po. It's me, your baby girl, you Ava Los po. So, ayun apply, happy birthday. And ayun, alam mo yung apply na sobrang laki po ng tulong nyo po. Alam nyo na yung apply, sobrang laki po ng tulong nyo po sa akin. And thank you so much apply sa buhay na meron po kayo. Naway apply, naway i-bless pa po kayo ni Lord ng mas marami pa pong buhay at marami pang anak. I love you so much po. Thank you so much and God bless you always po apply. See you soon and looking forward po apply na yung mga susunod pang henerasyon is ma-experience din po nila apply kung paano po kayo mag-lead sa aming mga grupo po ninyo. So, love you po.
Hi, Coach Charmaine. Happy birthday. Super miss you na. Miss na miss ko na yung presence mo dito sa office, yung tawa mo, everything about you. I super missed it. And congratulations to your baby boy. Super cute baby boy. Wish you all the best in life. And yeah, baka hindi mo na ako makilala pagbalik mo dito. I'm super chubby na. Super chubby na. Happy birthday!
Hi Coach Charmaine! Happy birthday to us. Ayan, sorry wala pa po kaming kuryente kaya madilim. Pero I just want to greet you po ng happy birthday. And you know, Coach Charmaine, na always say na sobrang blessed ako and sobrang blessed kami na ikaw yung mentor namin and sobrang blessed na nakilala kita. And gusto ko lang sabihin na we miss you so much, Apply. We miss you so much. We miss you sa lahat ng mga nangyayari, sa mga happenings natin. Sobrang happy lang po ako na isa ka sa mga nagiging takbuhan ko pag may mga problema, masayang happenings. And thank you so much, Coach Charmaine, sa buhay na meron ka. And thank you so much kay na Coach Julius. And of course, kay Mira and kay Gio. Dalawa na sila apply. Ayun. Pinagpe-pray ko right now is yung good health mo, good health ni Gio, good health ni Mira, and your whole family nila ni Coach Julius. And siguro yun, Coach Charmaine. Looking forward sa mga travels natin. So, see you sa Hong Kong. I love you, Apply. I miss you. Ingat po always. Love you.
Happy birthday, Coach Charmaine! Ayan, I'm so happy kasi this is going to be your first birthday na you have your second baby. And naka-inspired. So, sobrang inspired ko. Gayahin kita. Pero kidding aside, I really hope the best for you. Lahat, in all aspects of your life. And more happiness and more blessings to come. Happy birthday!
Yeah, happy birthday, Coach Charmaine. I'm so happy for you. Congratulations for your new baby. And nakakatuwa, same birth month kayo. So, pag nag-eat all you can tayo, marami tayong libre. Happy birthday. Na-miss ka namin.
Yeah,
na-miss ka na namin. And I know in a few days, makasama ka na namin ulit. Di ba? So, God bless you. God bless your family. And bukod sa aming dalawa, meron pang isang gustong bumati. Di ba? So, uy, tagal.
Happy birthday!
See you soon, Coach Charmaine. God bless.
God bless, Coach. Love you.
Hello, Coach Charmaine. Happy birthday. Another year, another blessing. Nako, di na po kami makapaghintay sa iyong pagbabalik, Alindog. Anyway, thank you sa lahat, sa pinagsamahan natin. Ilang taon na rin. Salamat dahil hindi ka lang naging business partner, kundi naging kapatid, kaibigan, and syempre, andyan pag in terms ng pangangailangan. And salamat dahil hindi ka lang naging malaking tulong sa akin, kundi sobrang dami din na naitulong mo sa grupo na meron ako. And always remember, andito lang kami, namimiss ka na namin, namimiss na namin yung chikahan, yung tawanan, and syempre, hindi namin hahayaan na sa mga next travel, hindi ka namin makasama. Kaya, bilisan mo na dyan. Gusto ka na naming makita ang iyong pagbabalik na mala Bea Alonso at Ivana Alawi. So, see you soon. We love you.
Hello! Gustong-gusto ko ang araw na to kasi babatiin natin ang isa sa pinakamaganda na coach and mentor ng Elite Pro. Happiest birthday, Coach Charmaine!
Ayan, I wish you all the best. And congratulations din sa pinaka magandang gift mo sa birthday mo ngayon sa inyong baby. Grabe ang pogi nga. Thank you so much for being an inspiration, Coach Charmaine. Inaabangan namin ang iyong comeback, yung pagka-sexy, di ba? Yan, inaabangan ko talaga yan. And I wish you all the best. Tsaka alam mo na, maraming nagpe-pray sa'yo sa pagbabalik mo. Isa ka sa lakas namin. Kaya happiest birthday, Coach Charmaine. We all are praying for you and sa family mo. Thank you so much for being our Coach Charmaine. And dahil dyan, may babati pa. Okay, na isang gwapo din daw yan.
Happy birthday, Coach Charmaine, and congratulations sa new baby nyo. And see you soon. Welcome back. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Coach Char. We love you. Mwah mwah chup chup.